Okay, so if you're figuring the compound interest, she starts out with $200. So you have $200 is your principal amount. She's getting compound interest at 20%. 3 years is the total amount of time. So what you have to do is you have to figure out how much does she earn in the first year loan. So this is your formula that you're using. So your principal amount, which is P, is $200. Your rate is 20%, so that's 0.20. The time you can really ignore because all you're doing is really 1 year, so that would just be 1. So what you have to do is this is 200 times 1.20. If you put in the 1, an exponent to 1 is staying the same, so that's just like saying this. When you do this together, that gets you an answer of $240. So for the first year, she gets an interest back of $240 is what she earns. So then what you have to do for your second year is you have to do the same thing, but that means she's starting out with a principal balance of $240. So then you take $240 times 1.20, that gives you a total of $288. Same thing for your third year. To figure out what your balance is you're just essentially just taking 288 times 1.20. That gives you a total of 345. So that's how much she earned in the third year. If you're figuring out the compound interest, what you're doing is she earned this year. She earned $288 the second year. She earned $345.60 for the third year. Because that's what she earned by itself that year, by itself that year, and by itself that year. If you're figuring out the total amount that she earned over a 3-year time period, you have to add them all together. So $873.60 is what she earned on her account after 3 years at 20% interest.
Thank you, Miss Ragland.